Bienvenue sur la chaîne L'anglais simplement. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre 20 expressions anglaises très courantes, des expressions que les anglophones utilisent tous les jours. Prenez un stylo, ouvrez bien vos oreilles. Let's go!
How are you doing?
Comment vas-tu?
How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? What's up?
Quoi de neuf?
Hey, John, what's up? Hey, John, what's up? Hey, John, what's up? Take it easy.
Calme-toi.
Take it easy, everything is fine. Take it easy, everything is fine. Take it easy, everything is fine. No worries.
Pas de soucis.
Thanks, no worries. Thanks, no worries. Thanks, no worries. I'm on my way.
Je suis en route.
I'm on my way to school. I'm on my way to school. I'm on my way to school. It depends.
Ça dépend.
It depends on the price. It depends on the price. It depends on the price. Sounds good.
Ça me va. Bonne idée.
Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Let me know.
Dis-moi, fais-moi savoir.
Let me know if you come. Let me know if you come. Let me know if you come. I'm just kidding.
Je plaisante.
Relax, I'm just kidding. Relax, I'm just kidding. Relax, I'm just kidding. Long time no see.
Ça fait longtemps.
Wow, long time no see. Wow, long time no see. Wow, long time no see. What do you mean?
Que veux-tu dire?
Sorry, what do you mean? Sorry, what do you mean? Sorry, what do you mean? That makes sense.
C'est logique.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I'm not sure.
Je ne suis pas sûre.
I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Give me a second.
Une seconde.
Give me a second, please. Give me a second, please. Give me a second, please. I don't get it.
Je ne comprends pas.
Sorry, I don't get it. Sorry, I don't get it. Sorry, I don't get it. Fair enough.
D'accord, c'est juste.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, fair enough. Okay, fair enough. That's true.
C'est vrai.
Yes, that's true. Yes, that's true. Yes, that's true. I'm used to it.
J'y suis habitué.
I'm used to waking up early. I'm used to waking up early. I'm used to waking up early. What's going on?
Que se passe-t-il?
Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? See you late.
À plus tard.
Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? Hey, what's going on here? Congratulations. Now let's summarize. Repeat after me. How are you doing? What's up? Take it easy. No worries. I'm on my way. It depends. Sounds good. Let me know. I'm just kidding. Long time no see. What do you mean? That makes sense. I'm not sure. Give me a second. I don't get it. Fair enough. That's true. I'm used to it. What's going on? See you later.